Hello everyone, thank you for being in this box break 14 of Boxbreak.com. Thank you for fast payment of all, again, very quick. The box is Upper Deck SP Authentic 2012-2013. One box, right? Here is the list of auction winners and their teams. The last auction is Winnipeg Jets. So bidding has end on this item. Alright, just here. We have serial number over here. NA195131144. I'm going to show you in the video again. So here is the eBay official time. It's now. Alright, to certify the video again, eBay time. Quick refresh. It's now 7:47 Eastern time. 4:47 Pacific time, right? Real fun. SP Authentic 2012-2013. 24 pack, 5 card per pack. 24 packs, sorry. Right, so here is the serial number. NE195131144. Alright, good luck everyone. The bonus pack is big. Empty box. Eight. 24 and the bonus. Here we go. Good luck everyone. First pack. Base card. First hit for Winnipeg Jets. It's Oli Jokinen. That's Upper Deck update 2012-2013. Oli Jokinen. Blank. Gonna use it. Alright. Next pack. Oh, we have first auto card over here for Toronto Maple Leaf. Goaltender UC Rhinus. Sign of the time. Is not numbered. Oh, the card is SOTGR, sorry. Right. First big pulls of this break. Blank. We have a predict it for Canucks, Ryan Kessler. It's not number. There is a hit. Next pack is a tough one. Maybe something good inside. We have a Team Canada moment, so that's gonna be a multiple team card. But I see PK Subban. Okay, that's a Jordan Eberle and PK Subban card. Exactly, that's a multiple team card. So at the end of this break, we'll put it in a list of random.org for 3 times, and the first at the top of the list will be the winner of this card. So Edmonton and Montreal at the end of the break. Bank. Next pack. For the Boston Bruins, Jaromir Jagr. A predict update. Not numbered. That's it. 3 base card. Here we go. We have a authentic moment for the Boston Bruins of Bobby R. Esposito Art Trophy in Boston for 7 consecutive seasons. April 6, 1975. Congratulations, Boston. Blank. Yes. For the Los Angeles Kings, we have Jonathan Quick. That's it. Alright, that number, blank. 3 base card. First of the 3 pills. Base, base, blank. Right, so 8 pack now. That's the base card. Here we go. Okay, it's a tough one. Okay, no choice. The Columbus Blue Jackets, Blake Como, Upper Lake update. Alright. Come on. Alright. Thank. Authentic moment, Gretzky hat-trick. That's a Los Angeles Kings card. Wayne Gretzky. Always a good hit when you hit Wayne Gretzky. Alright. Yeah. That's not a regular card. Maybe 30 points. Base. Next pack. Here we go. 24 pack of fun over here. For San Jose Sharks, Patrick Marleau. Next pack. Next week it's a double box break. We have 2 boxes of a Panini Select 1314. We're just here, right? We have a future watch auto for the Minnesota Wild of Jason Zucker, number 99 on 999. Congratulations, Wild. Blank. 2 base card. Next pack. Again for the Wild, Ryan Suter. Upper Deck updates. Sorry for that, guys. We have Phil Esposito. Okay, no, that's only a base card. I was thinking that's it because it's Phil. Next pack. We have a Team Canada moment over here for Eberle. So I think it's a Edmonton Oilers card. Are you right? Jordan Eberle. Corky going against the Americans. Blank, base, 3 base card. We have Flyers Claude Giroux. Not number, but it's a it. I want to take a quick review at the end of this break. Base, 2 base cards. Right. So 16 pack, 8 left. Sorry, 9 with the bonus. That's it. Hartford's Whalers card. So that's a Carolina Hurricane card of Ron Francis. It's not numbered, but good it for Hartford. Congratulations, Carolina. Blank. Base. So another 8-pack. Here we go. We have here Thomas Vukun, to predict updates, and we have another Jason Zucker, Sing of Time, because we have another auto of this guy in this break. I'm not sure it's the same card. SOTGZ this time. Congratulations, Minnesota Wild. Alright. Blank. 2 base card. Authentic moment for Ellie. Dustin Brown. May 6, 2012, Browns 2-goal game clean sweep of Blues. Put Kings into Western Conference Finals. Blank. For the Red Wings now, Riley Sheehan, sorry. Congratulations, Detroit. Thank you. Team Canada moment. That's a Ryan Skinner. This is a Carolina Hurricane card. Jeff Skinner. Tank. MVP rookie for, and that's a auto card as you can see. Jakob Silverberg, Ottawa Sens. MVP updates. Congratulations, Sens. Link. Space. Carry base card. Here we have a redemption card of, oh my god, a below of the screen. For a moment I can't see anything. Congratulations for this hit. I'm gonna watch. My God. I'm gonna put it here for the moment. Alright. Treat this card in this pack too. That's weird. Two pack left. Base. Calgary Flame, Yarum, Iginla. Upper deck. It. Base. Last pack of SP Authentic, where we got a bonus pack of SPX over here. We got rookie jersey or patch inside this patch. Or this pack, sorry. patch. Here we go. So we got an authentic moment over here of Jonathan Quick for Haley again. 41 save. Shootout, game 3, first round series in 2012 against Vancouver. Alright, so 24 pack later, we got a bonus pack. So here we go. Ryan Miller base card. Milan Lucic base card. And we got here Dallas Star Riley Smith autograph rookie patch 22/30. The best pull of this break. Really cool Riley Smith with a Go Ox. Crazy patch over here for Dallas. Congratulations. Alright, so stay tuned for this random.org card against Montreal and Edmonton at the end of this break. Alright, PK against Jordan Eberle. That's the first hit of Boxbreak 14 recap. I'm gonna show you the best pull on second. Riley Smith 22/30. Congratulations, Dallas. Quick. The blank is pretty cool right here. Right. Calgary. $0.40. Jakob Silverberg, MVP update rookie. For Carolina, Ryan Skinner. Jeff Skinner, sorry. Why I say Ryan, I don't know. Riley Sheen for the Red Wings. Atlantic moment for LA. Dustin Brown. For the Wild, Jason Zucker, Sing of the Time. Update Upper Deck Thomas Vaughn for Pittsburgh. Atlantic moment for Carolina Hurricane Ron Francis. Hartford. Flyers Claude Giroux. Upper Deck updates. Team Canada moment Jordan Eberle. That's an Edmonton card. Ryan Suter, The Wild, Upper Deck updates. Future Watch Jason Zucker. That's the second auto of this guy in this break. 999. 99 on 999. 999. San Jose Short Patrick Morrow. Upper Deck update. For the Kings, Wayne Gretzky. Always cool to have Gretzky card like I said in this break. Upper Deck update for the Blue Jackets, Columbus, Blake Como. Jonathan Quick. Boston Bruins, Bobby Orr and Phil Esposito. Atlantic moment. Pretty nice car over here. Nice hit for Boston. Update. Jaromir Jagr. Update Ryan Kessler. For the Leafs, Sing of Time. Goaltender UC Rhinus. Winnipeg Jets, Oli Jokinen. Okay, update. And we got here the redemption card. I will take a quick congratulations to the team as you see at the screen. Alright, so stay tuned Montreal and Edmonton for the random.org for the multiple team card of the Team Canada moment. Right now, right, for the other guy I say thank you. You can visit my website, follow us on Facebook and Twitter. So welcome back for the random.org multiple team card. Is now 8:29. Quick refresh is 8:30. Alright, here is Montreal and LA in the list randomizer of random.org. So here we go. First time. Alright, so congratulations Montreal. You are the first team after randomized this list 3 times.